Ankita ji, you were also talking about the missing Gumrag dance in the beginning of this interview. So, could you tell us more about this dance and how it actually is a tribute to Bhudevi or Mother Earth, as people call it?
Yeah, yeah. Actually, the dancing rituals of Aliyai Ligang, they begin with utmost joy after the feasting gets over. The cowherd boys, they are invited for the feast, who later groove to the tunes of Gumrag. The entire village adorns a festive look, and everyone gathers in the field to celebrate, sing, and dance. The missing Gumrag dance is accompanied by appropriate songs, and it represents a beautiful combination of different dance moves that are performed in the background of the continuous beating of drums and cymbals. And although it is performed in its own unique rhythm and style, the Gumrag dance of the Missings shares many things in common with the traditional dances of various other Vanavasi communities in Assam, such as the Dimasas, Rabhas, and Kocharis. There is a particular song called Lo Le that is specifically associated with the Aliyai Ligang festival, and this song called Lo Le is included as a part of the Gumrag dance. In fact, the missing Gumrag dance is the most spectacular and dominant feature of the entire festival of Ali Ali Gang. It has almost become a mandatory norm for all the dancers who take part in the Gumrag dance to wear only hand woven dresses as a symbol of their cultural pride and community identity. The dance has been noted for maintaining its authenticity while at the same time displaying the traditional missing handlooms and handicrafts in all their beauty. And it usually lasts the entire night. Both boys and girls, they gracefully dance in a ring at every house in the village, starting from the easternmost one, which commonly happens to be the house of the village headman or the senior-most person in the village. The Gumrang dance, yes, it is a humble tribute to Bhudevi or Mother Earth for everything that she gives. The dancers are later treated to a delicious course of lunch, followed by the ritualistic drinking of appam or rice beer. There is another missing group dance called Paksong Moman. Paksong Moman, in which the villagers, both young and old, and male and female, actively take part. But it is the young ones who first initiate the dance, and the elder ones they join in later, following the rhythmical tunes of the musical instruments. Paksong Moman is a dance that is common, in fact, to all the festive celebrations of the Missings, and it is performed at the backyard of their traditional houses called Okums. The Missing traditional houses are known as Okums. There are two other beautiful dance forms besides Paksong Moman and Gumrag among the Missings, and these dance forms are Raktup Soman and Loto Soman, and they are performed mainly by the adults of the community inside their houses during Ali Ali Gang. And as I mentioned earlier, the Ali Ali Gang celebrations, they continue for almost a week. The Missings observe a period of abstinence from agriculture related works, and eventually they end it through a brief religious ceremony called Yodlen Kunam. Uh, it calls upon nine different generations of their ancestors for blessing them with good health and wealth. And this formally marks the end of the Aliyah Ligang celebrations, after which the people start devoting their time in the field for cultivation. One of the significant features of Aliyah Ligang is the worship of the Bihu Devta. Bihu Devta on the last day of the festival, which is known as Lilen. The last day of the festival called Lilen, which in literal terms it means departing. And people who could not perform the ceremony of ancestor worship and lighting of the diyas on the first day of the festival, for whatever reason, they are socially expected to do it on this day, on the last day. And the spade, which had been kept covered in the field and religiously at rest, is uncovered by removing the leaves on this day. The missing farmer, he goes to the already sown field early in the morning and furrows it. In the afternoon, the field is leveled with the chanting of prayers to Bhudevi. The dancing and feasting celebrations, they continue for the next 2 days as well. And every year, one particular village is selected as the host village for the organization of Lilen. It is enthusiastically celebrated with her. In fact, the festival comes to an enthusiastic end with a lavish community feast called Dapan Tipan. in the courtyards of the village homes of the host village, and villagers from the neighboring villages are also invited as guests to grace this last day of the festival. Young missing boys and girls, they raise a dais to the murti of the Bihu Devta in a nearby forest, and they plant a sapling of the silk cotton tree called Salamali alongside. Because among the missings, this silk cotton tree or Salamali is believed to symbolize an eternal life of good health, wealth, and prosperity. The grand celebrations of Aliyai Ligang, yes, they have served as a beautiful social and cultural identity marker of the missings of both Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. And they have helped in reinforcing socio-cultural harmony, the bonds of fraternity and brotherhood through a cultural convergence of the missing community with the greater Assamese Hindu society. And nowadays, many missing families living outside their home state in faraway towns and cities such as Delhi for professional obligations, etc., they could also be seen celebrating this festival in different places where they invite Gumrah dance troupes from different places to and live in the festive mood.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.